Hello students, in this video we will discuss Kaziranga National Park. It is a very important information for the students of 9 and 10 Seva, and important information for everybody. It is whether a student or not, no matter. Kaziranga is a national park, but the history behind this is very interesting. Lord Curzon was the Viceroy of India. His wife Mary Curzon came to visit this forest in 1904 as she has heard that one horned rhino is found in this forest. She came, she visited, but she didn't find even a single one horned rhino in this forest. But she was impressed by the beautiful scene and scenery in this forest, and different types of animals that were there in the forest: rhino, tiger, hoolock gibbon, elephant, dolphin, wild buffaloes. These were there in the forest. She was impressed, and when she went back, she requested her husband Lord Curzon to do something for the conservation of the wildlife in the forest. And therefore, what happened as a result, in 1905 Kaziranga proposed reserve forest was declared. Kaziranga became a reserve forest. Proposed reserve forest was declared to protect the rhino. Later in 1916, Kaziranga was renamed as Kaziranga Game Sanctuary. But game word was objectionable. Why this word was objectionable? Because game means animals hunted for sports and food. But this forest was meant for conservation of wild animals. Therefore, this word was removed, and in 1950, Kaziranga Wildlife Sanctuaries, it was renamed as Kaziranga Wildlife Sanctuaries. Finally, in 1974, Kaziranga was declared as Kaziranga National Park. This is a short, brief history about Kaziranga National Park. Now you see the area of Kaziranga National Park. The area of Kaziranga National Park is 858.98 square km. 858.98 square km, and it is extended. Its part is extended in three districts of Assam: Golaghat, Nagaon, and Sonitpur. And this national park is famous for rhino, one-horned rhino. One-horned rhino is only found in Kaziranga National Park. Tiger, hoolock gibbon, it is an animal. Elephant, bear, dolphin, wild buffaloes, these are in plenty and in the forest, in the national park. And this is one brief history for about Kaziranga National Park. Thank you. I think if you watch it on YouTube, please subscribe my page, like my video, and comment. And if you have any query regarding other social science questions, English questions for class 9-10, please ask in comment. Write your queries in comment box. I will try to satisfy you. Thank you. If you watch it on Facebook, please like it and follow me. Thank you.